Hey guys, you got Justin with Crypto News, and in this video I'm going to talk more about Vechain and the follow-up video, more like a follow-up to the video that I had last night. And if you hadn't seen it, it's going to make more sense if you check that out. So definitely go to right around, yeah, you go there and it'll be able to show you just the video that I'm referencing. But I just wanted to show you that pullbacks are real, and that's why you should never either enter a market at a higher high or enter more money into the market at a higher high. You always want to wait for a pullback, okay? As you can see from the 4-hour chart, this is Bitcoin right here. This is Bitcoin and this is Vechain on my left-hand side. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, what has it done consistently since October? Well, what is this? Actually, this is November. This is November 6th, okay? So it started at 60, right? And then it was a low, right? And then a high. So, and then another low right around here, and then a high, and then a low, and then a high, and then a low, okay? But the consistent thing that you need to see are there are lower highs, right? Or higher lows. So there's higher lows, boom, 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 and higher highs, okay? Which is what all we want to know to make sure that we're still operating within the trending market. Now, as you can see here, when I shot this video last night, Bitcoin was at about $68,000, okay? So it's dropped about 2, so that's why you're seeing the pullback, but you're not seeing significant pullbacks. And if you look at Vechain over here, same thing, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, okay? And then high, I hate saying it's confusing. Okay, so I'll say that again. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and then higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Okay, so that just means that we're in uptrend and pullbacks, upswing, and pullbacks are necessary. Okay, so really, I'm not telling you when to get in, right? I'm just saying that you should use the Fibonacci curve if you want to enter on a pullback. Now, just because you enter on a pullback doesn't mean that the price of the asset is going to increase automatically. It can still dip. There's still a lot of movement that can happen within that space, but you don't know. Maybe you're speculating that it's going to go to 20, and you don't want to wait, right? But maybe you're saying, hey, I can wait a little bit more until it gets to right around here, because as long as it continues to go up after that, then it's another higher low, which is fine, right? And then you can ride that up. You're going to get more shares, and therefore you're going to make more money per share. Therefore, you're going to make more money, right? So it really just depends on your level of discretion, okay, and your level of risk tolerance. My biggest advice to you, though, when it comes to Vechain, it comes to price predictions, comes to making money, is never invest money that you are not 100% willing to lose or part ways with. Because if you're betting your rent check, if you're betting your emergency bill or your whatever is important, and you're trying to flip it to make a new come up, just be real careful. I mean, it can be very volatile. You just don't want to be stuck holding the bag. And ultimately, Bitcoin will go up, right? You just want to make sure that when it's going up, you're riding the trend and not waiting for the trend to recapture itself. So that's all I have to say on that. Just pay attention. This is definitely a market that we're in right now that looks like November is going to be a kick-ass month. See, you see right here, as I'm speaking to you, it's dipping a little bit, so just be careful. But ultimately, the skies are pointing towards November being a kick-ass month. Bitcoin can certainly go to $100,000, dollars per coin, and therefore all the other altcoins such as Vechain can also reach those new highs. And as I said before, my prediction for Vechain should be in the area between 26 to 30 cents, within this next 8 to 10 days. Not this run. This run, it could go a lot higher. If it goes to 100,000, Vechain very well, could hit 75 cents all the way up to a dollar, which would be at this point, if you get in right now and it did get to $1, it'd be like a 5x. right? I'm not calling that. I'm not saying that that's what's going to happen, but I'm saying it's totally possible, especially if Bitcoin does make a $100,000 run either in November or in December. But as far as short term goes, my prediction is that Vechain will, as long as Bitcoin stays in that 68,000 and continuously just appreciates, but just doesn't have drastic swings. As long as there's no drastic swings within the next few days, Vechain should be in that 26 to 30 cents range. So a very, very good run it can be. But just be careful with your money. Don't go all in like a cowboy, okay? I say do you cowboy all the time because it's funny because everybody wants to make a ton of money, but you also just have to be cautious, right? This is cash because crypto, when you convert it into cash, is real money, right? So just because you're seeing these coins and these numbers and you get kind of like, it doesn't feel real. It is real. You should treat it just as real as if you had $10,000 on the table and you didn't want it to just get caught in a gust of wind, right? Like, treat it like it as such. Be patient, be diligent. You're investing, right? You're taking your money and you're investing. So, just think before you act and you should be fine, okay? You're in a good place right now, but still, just be mindful. All right. Well, that's it for this video. I'm going to make another video on another price prediction that I feel could be very strong within this bull run, that you could potentially be looking at huge returns. I'm not telling you when to get in, but I'm just telling you what I see, and then you can make the determination based off of your own due diligence, analysis, and research. All right, that's it for this video. Hope you got value from it. Smash that like button if you liked what you saw. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Like the video that I have coming up sometime later tonight on my next price prediction. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video. Peace.